So welcome back guys in our Python programming channel presented by Geek. In today's video we are going to tell you about Ideally. So what is Ideally? Ideally is an integrated development learning environment. In simpler words, we can just say that it is ideally just like our school answer sheet. Let me explain it further to you. Let's assume Ideally is our school answer paper. We write some codes in it, and teacher is the Ideally software which run it or execute it, and after that it gives us the marks. Now, Ideally is of two types: interactive mode and script mode. Interactive mode, in which code is run line by line, and in script mode it's just opposite to the interactive mode. Whole code is written together and then it's run and executed. Now, in brief, interactive mode. In this mode, program we write is executed line by line. I meant to say that we can't hold program together. We take first line, then execute it, and after this, then second line and third, and this process goes on. Script mode. It is just opposite of the interactive mode as told by me earlier. In this program, the programmers write whole code together and then execute it, and the output of the result is the ending result which we get in the end. Now, for more perfectly understanding it, let's take example for each. Now here my interactive mode has been opened. Now let's open script mode too. Now as you can see, difference between script mode and interactive mode. In interactive mode, the structure and the script mode structure. In script mode, as I have told you earlier, the whole code have to be written by one go through. Now let's do simple. Okay, let's take it and now save it. Let's save it. Now we have saved it, and now we'll let's run it and now see the outcomes. Now as we can see, the output is I mean to say that all the four print commands has output together. Now as you can see here, it is the whole output program has been given together. But now let's check out the interactive mode. The thing which I want to tell you is that now as it is code as I have written in scripted mode, same will be copied out. And as you can here see that whole commands are same, but the outputs are different. Here we have defined the variables together, but the output is came line by line. I mean to say that here the whole code has given the output line by line, and in script mode we have given the whole code together output. And that's the main difference. I think you have understood it. Please like, subscribe and share.